Welcome back to the 12 Feet of Christmas. Today we're going to be talking about the gathering foot on our Janome M7. And of course this 9mm foot will work on any of the Janomes and Elmas that accommodate a 9mm foot. So we wanted to put some soft gathers along the top of our fabric. To do that, we have a straight stitch selected, but there it changes because we're going to use a stitch position right down the center, a stitch length between 3 and 5 millimeters, but the key is this. We're going to take our tension. You can see I have this turned up all the way to 10. That's the secret. That's what makes the gathers across our fabric. So we're going to go ahead and put some soft gathers right across the top of our fabric. Get our scissors. And how wonderful is that? To quickly gather in one step, make a nice gather for a pillow, or if you're doing garment sewing for a child's dress, etc. So the gathering foot here today at Luke's. Stop in and pick one up.